Okay, I figured out the mining problem. We'll start with the miners. The miners have two inputs. One is the item that you want to mine and the quantity that you want to have of that item, and the second one is just the boss. So all it looks for here is it counts how many of the item you have and puts it in a temporary variable, then compares the temporary variable again with the quantity of the item you're looking for, which is 20. And in this case, if it is equal to 20, then it moves to the mining boss and tries to transfer the items to the boss. If it's less than 20, if it's less than one full stack, then it just moves to the mining target. Then it automatically, the mining target's automatically set to the lasers. So if you copy and paste these for different resources, you can just change that. Next is the boss. The mining boss has, these can go away. These need to go away. But right now the mining boss just looks at the distance to the truck, saves it in a temporary variable, and makes sure the truck is within one spot of the boss. It keeps the boss from following the truck around. So if the truck is within one space of the boss, then it and the truck is not moving, then it transfers items. Otherwise, it goes back to the spot that you've chosen. It's called scanner right here, but this is boss location. Now the truck is a little bit, uses a different kind of a looping system. So at first it counts how many of the items you have set and stores that in a temporary variable, then compares that item with the number of items you want stored. So in this bot, it holds 240 items. So it compares the 240 items. If it is smaller than 240 items, then it goes to the boss. It just moves to the boss. If it is equal to, which means it has full inventory, then it is ordered to move to the storage unit and transfer your items to the storage unit. Then it counts the items again, and if you have less than the minimum, until you equal the minimum, and as soon as the minimum is set, I set it to 0, so I want the inventory to be empty. As soon as the inventory is empty, which is the equal to, then it goes back to the beginning and has a chance to go to the boss. So it'll sit in the factory next to the storage until it is empty. Then it'll go back to the boss, and it'll sit at the boss until it's full, and the boss never moves.